The jury is now deliberating in the murder trial of DeAndre White. He is accused of 2021's deadly mass shooting on 6th Street. Before today's closing arguments, the defense called only one witness to testify, and that witness was DeAndre White himself. Fox 7 Austin's Amanda Ruiz joins us live from the Travis County Courthouse with the latest. Amanda.
Yes, Rebecca, based on the atmosphere inside the courtroom, I don't think anyone really expected DeAndre White to take his stand in his own murder trial, but alas, he did, and he did it as the sole defense witness. Now, the defense made clear that this decision was White's alone. He told the jury he wanted to do this because he feels like everyone deserves to know the truth, including the victim's family. He admits he had a gun that night, something he did to protect himself because he's from Killeen, where he claims it's dangerous. He says 3 of his friends have been killed previously by gun violence. On 6th Street, he testified seeing Tayshawn DeGreat, who he claims was a member of a gang, reach down and start to pull out a gun. White says he shot at him and the people he was with because he believes Tayshawn was going to shoot his friends. White said he had no idea how many times he shot or the other people were hit, but when he found out, he was scared. He says it was his friend's idea to change his appearance. White says he was just trying to protect himself and his friends. He told the jury he wished this never happened, and if he could rewind time, he would. The defense backed their client during closing arguments.
Testified pretty clearly that they believe that what DeAndre did saved their lives, because this guy came to them with terrible intentions. He didn't come over there to play tiddlywinks. He didn't come over there to have a peaceful discussion with JT about their differences. He came over there with bad intentions. And DeAndre did what he had to do. When that gun starts to come out, he did what he had to do.
The state started their closing arguments by telling the jury, use your common sense. The state wants the jury to find White guilty of murder, and that's because they claim he was not justified in using self-defense and that he intentionally killed Douglas Cantor that night. The state attorney reminded the jury White admitted to having a gun that night, and he knew what he was doing. The state also brought up his change in appearance following the shooting and the group chat with his friends, laughing at the different ways to change his appearance.
They're joking about this. The biggest thing on this, on the 12th and 13th of June, Doug Cantor was fighting for his life. He was trying to survive because of those gunshot bullets that he sustained. They were joking. They didn't think this was a big deal, and that shows you the difference in that state of mind that DeAndre White and his friends had compared to everyone else.
The jury is now deliberating this case. We will come back to you when they have a decision. Reporting outside the courtroom, Amanda Ruiz, Fox 7 Austin News.